In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your phone number settings within Close CRM, specifically focusing on the steps needed to delete a phone number. It's a simple process that once mastered can save you time and help keep your CRM data organized and up to date. First, start by logging into your Close CRM account. From the main dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find a variety of options available to you, but for today's task, we're interested in the Settings section. Go ahead and click on Settings to open up your account configurations and preferences. Once you're in the Settings area, your next step is to navigate to Phone and Voicemail. This is the area where all your phone settings are managed. Clicking on Phone and Voicemail will present you with various options related to phone numbers and voicemail settings. If you're managing multiple phone numbers, it's crucial to ensure you're working with the correct one, so take a moment to verify you're on the right track. Next, you'll need to click on Phone Number. This will show a list of all the phone numbers associated with your account. From this list, identify the phone number that you wish to delete. Once you've found it, focus your attention on the upper right corner of the screen. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options button. Click on this to reveal additional settings related to that specific phone number. After clicking the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Delete Number. Selecting this option will initiate the process to remove the phone number from your account. But don't worry, nothing is finalized just yet. A confirmation dialog box will appear, asking you to confirm your decision to delete the phone number. This is an important step designed to prevent accidental deletions. So, take a moment to double-check that you're about to delete the correct number. If you're sure this is what you want to do, go ahead and click on Delete. By completing these steps, you successfully remove a phone number from your Close CRM account. It might seem straightforward, but it's always helpful to walk through it with confidence. Keeping your CRM data clean ensures that your workflow remains smooth and efficient, allowing you to focus on more crucial tasks. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore additional resources or reach out to support. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in organizing your CRM data.